Chapter 22, Taxation. Consider all the ways we are taxed. When we're born, birth certificate; when we die, death certificate; when we make money, income tax; when we spend money, sales tax; when we own property, property tax; when we sell property, capital gains tax; when we go to a concert or ball game, amusement tax; when we own a vehicle, license, registration, tolls, gas tax, and special taxes on cell phones, tobacco, alcohol, energy, etc. Then when we die, they tax our income all over again. Death tax. Heck, they even tax our bowel movements, flush tax. This was an article from Gazette.net. The only certain things in this life are death and taxes. According to Jim Marrs in his book entitled Rule by Secrecy, the American public are becoming more aware that for half the year they work for the government because around the first 6 months of any given year is spent working to make money which disappears into taxes before that worker even gets his or her paycheck. This doesn't even include the daily sales, state, city and other taxes in the United States. The UK doesn't fare any better because according to Yahoo Finance in August 2016, the UK tax burden on a UK household will reach £825,000 over a person's lifetime. Research from the Taxpayers Alliance, TPA, found that a family with an average household income of £41,027 would pay £826,030 in direct and indirect tax over the course of a lifetime, an increase on last year by 2.7%. The analysis suggests the bill includes £287,963 in income tax, £169,371 in VAT, £107,045 in national insurance contributions and £65,068 in council tax. If that wasn't depressing enough for the lower rate earners, the higher rate taxpayers are much worse off. They found that an average household in the top 20% of earners would pay a lifetime tax bill of £1,686,970. This indicates from calculations based on Office for National Statistics data that the total tax bill for an average household is the equivalent of 20 years of income. TPA Chief Executive John O'Connell said that politicians are forever lamenting the high cost of living, yet all the while are adding to the burden through higher taxes. There is no law in existence anywhere in the IRS tax code or elsewhere that says you have to pay income tax to the federal government of the United States of America. This is a quote by J. Michael Thomas Hayes.